in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Welcome to ASTERION Store. ASTERION PTC Ceramic Heater. Just make it for your life and life better. ASTERION PTC Ceramic Heater provides you an instant heat with our premium and safe ceramic material. Stylish and compact design with clear LED display, cool touch, and mini remote control make your life more convenient and intelligent. Multiple choices of the heater lets you flexibly adjust the thermostat as you want. Equipped with 72-degree oscillating, which will fit personal use or your small and medium room well. Built-in eco function, which is a great helper to provide an optimal temperature at the same time. Automatically saves energy based on the real time of your room temperature. Use ASTERION Ceramic Heater, which is safe with its tip-over and overheat protection installed. Feel free to use in small and medium office or home. Please carefully read the instruction before using. ASTERION makes high-quality product and provide attentive service for you. Its exquisite packaging will be a great festival gift choice, such as Christmas or Thanksgiving Day. Choose ASTERION Ceramic Heater, an intelligent life you live.
Why we recommend this product.